To begin, download the Inhab Energy app to your mobile phone. Once downloaded, open the app. When you open the app, you can create an account. The app will prompt you on how to add a new device. Now you can click on the Siemens Inhab Energy Monitor to start the onboarding process. Then, click Add. Make sure your device is powered on via the connected breaker, while the mobile application is looking for the device. Once the app recognizes the device that is being onboarded, it will look for Wi-Fi networks to connect. Choose the Wi-Fi network that you would like for your installation. Enter the Wi-Fi network password. Once you've entered the Wi-Fi network password, click Continue. The app will now try to connect the Inhab Energy Monitor to your home's Wi-Fi network. In this screen, you can change the name of your Inhab Energy Monitor. The system will ask you if your home has solar or other energy sources. In this case, we will tell the device it's only connected to the electric utility or measuring energy from the mains. Once the device is onboarded into the app, you can label the circuits based on your unique home. We're going to label, for example, Circuit 1 as the refrigerator. And you can also change the circuit type. We're going to select Fridge Freezer and click Save. You have now labeled the first circuit as your refrigerator. You can do this for all of the branch CTs that are installed with your device. When you click Home, you'll see the main home screen for your energy monitor. If you want to share your energy monitor with a family member, or let's say you're an electrician that has onboarded the device on behalf of a homeowner, you can share the energy monitor with them by using the following steps. Click on the top left menu, select Manage Setup Devices, and click Share Devices. This will show a list of all the devices that you have onboarded and are active in your Inhab Energy account. You can select the device, enter the email for who you want to share it with, and then click Share. The device has now been shared with the selected email. You can verify who you've shared the device with by clicking on the device. Scroll down to Shared With, and it will display the accounts that you have shared the energy monitor with. If you're an electrician, once you've shared the device with the homeowner's account, you can go ahead and remove the device from your account. The homeowner will still retain full access to the device and be able to continue to customize and configure their own energy monitor. To remove the device from your account, you can click Remove Account at the bottom of the device. Then click Remove. The device is now removed from your account. You can go to Home and verify that there are no devices in your account, and the homeowner will continue to have access. Thank you for setting up your Inhab Energy Monitor and enjoy.